Hey, I'm Eva, and welcome to Learn Russian with Eva. In our previous lesson, we learned the difference between хотя and не хотя. And by the way, guys, if you haven't watched that lesson yet, the link is waiting for you in the description. But here's something most beginners don't know. You can also use хотя plus the particle бы, хотя бы. It means at least. Not perfect, not your dream option, just the minimum, so you don't go crazy. Ё-моё! Хватит орать! Скажи хотя бы, что случилось? Oh, come on. Stop yelling. At least tell me what happened. Чёрт! Ты опять опаздываешь. Напиши хотя бы заранее. Damn, you're late again. At least text me in advance. Guys, don't forget, your likes and comments help me and Yulia tremendously. Спасибо за поддержку. Блин, на улице опять холодно. Слава богу, хотя бы нет дождя. Damn, it's cold outside again. Thank God at least there's no rain. Фу, этот суп какой-то странный. Дай хотя бы хлеб. This soup is kind of weird. At least give me some bread. Боже, какой я голодный. Дай мне хотя бы банан. My God, I'm so hungry. Give me at least a banana. Господи, как я устала. Дай мне отдохнуть хотя бы 2 минуты. Lord, I'm so exhausted. Let me rest for at least 2 minutes. Подожди, дай мне хотя бы 5 минут. Wait, give me at least 5 minutes.